Great Open Door started in 2003, and since that time we've been serving schools by teaching life skills, moral values and the Christian faith. And we've attempted to do that in ways that capture the children's imaginations. That's right, and use puppets.
Watch this!
How much do we appreciate the people around us?
In the Assemblies we do so many different things. We always involve puppets. We always involve a Bible verse, and that Bible verse will be applicable to any of the children that are watching the Assembly. So it can be just a life lesson, and within that Bible verse we teach them sign language, so they always learn a bit of sign language. We do a little dance like this with our fingers. And that's the sign for plan, but that's what the word will means. We've started to involve singing so the kids can sing along with us. And it's normally to a well-known song, but with slightly altered lyrics.
The best bit for me about being with Great Open Door is seeing the children's faces when they're so engaged watching what we're doing, and they're just really enjoying it, and they just seem to really love it and interact with it, especially the puppets. The children really love the puppets. Today's fun day has been really lovely because we've seen lots of new faces, and also lots of children that have said, "You come to my school, you do this, I remember when you did that," and it's brilliant because it shows that they're remembering everything that they've seen.
Oscar, stop showing off. We aim to teach with conviction, with passion, which we believe communicates, and to do that in creative and original ways. We have taken our last Assembly programme into 18 schools, and it's been seen by around 4,500 children. So schools within the Harlow area, we believe, are benefiting from the ministry that we have.
It really encompasses good morals in every assembly. So even though we are taking a Bible verse and using it relating to everyday life, that is the core of it. And when they learn about love, that love conquers all, they learn these fundamental lessons that then hopefully educate them for the rest of their lives.